Prepositions of place are essential in English because they help us describe where things are located. Let's dive into some common types of prepositions of place and how to use them effectively. First up, we have under. When we say something is under the table, we're indicating that it's directly beneath the table's surface. Picture a cat hiding from a dog. It's curled up under the table, safe and sound. This preposition gives us a clear spatial relationship. Next, consider near. If I say my favorite coffee shop is near my apartment, it means it's close enough that I can walk there in just a few minutes. This preposition helps us understand proximity without specifying an exact distance. It's perfect for casual conversations about locations. Now, let's talk about above. When I mention something is above the refrigerator, I'm referring to an item that's positioned higher than the fridge. Maybe it's a shelf with some cookbooks or a decorative plant. This preposition indicates vertical relationships, showing that one thing is higher than another. Moving on, we have between. If I say the candy is between the snacks and the sodas, I'm pinpointing its exact location. It's not just anywhere. It's specifically in the space that separates the snacks from the sodas. This preposition is great for clarifying positions when there are multiple items involved. Another common preposition is in. When I say my keys are in my bag, it means they are enclosed within the bag. This preposition indicates that something is contained within another object, which is a very common scenario in our daily lives. Lastly, let's look at. When I say I'm at the restaurant, it tells you my exact location. It's a specific point, unlike near, which suggests closeness without pinpointing. This preposition is often used for places where we gather or meet. Now, let's summarize these prepositions with a few more examples. If I say there's a dog under the bed, it gives a clear picture of where the dog is hiding. If I mention a park near my office, it suggests a convenient spot for a lunch break. Saying a picture is above the fireplace helps visualize the room's layout, while between the books on the shelf specifies the exact placement of a new novel. Using in can also apply to places like in the park, indicating that something is located within the boundaries of that area. And when I say I'm at the gym, it's a straightforward way to communicate my current activity. Understanding these prepositions of place enhances our ability to communicate effectively. They provide clarity and precision, making it easier for others to visualize our surroundings. So, the next time you describe where something is, think about which preposition best conveys that location. Whether it's under, near, above, between, in, or at, these little words pack a big punch in our conversations.